a comparative study on corporate social responsibility between two selected companies in India. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Corporate social responsibility defines the company's moral and social responsibility to the stakeholders, i.e., environment, people, society, and community development at large. This study aims to exhibit the impact of the CSR activities of selected companies on consumer perception. The second part of the study highlights the amount of CSR expenditure spent by Dabur India Limited and Marico Ltd for the financial years 2018 to 19 to 2020 to 23, covering different areas like promotion of preventive healthcare, environmental sustainability, promotion of education, and community development. Regarding CSR expenditure, Dabur India Limited spent more funds than Marico Ltd for the financial years 2018 to 19 to 2020 to 23. The findings revealed that Dabur India Limited mainly focus on contributing CSR funds in promoting preventive healthcare and promoting education, and Marico Limited contributes more funds to environmental sustainability. Both companies spent more funds during the financial years 2018 to 19 to 2020 to 23 than the prescribed limit of CSR expenditure. Regarding consumers' perception, the results also showed that male respondents are more aware of the CSR activities than female respondents. Both neglected the CSR areas like disaster management measures, contribution towards the protection of the national heritage, and benefits of armed force veterans. Both companies must disclose the CSR reporting in their annual reports for the sake of stakeholders and investors at large. Introduction. Corporate social responsibility (CSR) refers to a company's efforts to act ethically and give back to society and the environment. What started as a voluntary choice has now become a legal requirement for many companies in India, which must spend at least 2% of their profits on CSR activities. This shift reflects a growing recognition of business's role in creating positive social change. In this study, the CSR efforts of two major Indian consumer goods companies, Dabur India Limited and Marico Limited, are compared over 5 years. The study looks at how much these companies spend on CSR and how consumers view their efforts. Although the law encourages all qualifying companies to contribute to CSR, there are big differences in how they approach it and which causes they support. This comparison helps highlight not just financial commitment, but also how well each company connects with the public through its social and environmental actions. Conclusion. Dabur India Limited is more conscious towards CSR spending as well as CSR reporting practices and in diverse causes. The CSR spending and reporting information by Marico Limited are sometimes inaccurate, as CSR-wise bifurcation is not always reported in their annual reports. Both neglected the CSR areas like disaster management measures, contribution towards the protection of the national heritage, and benefits of armed force veterans. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.